Okay, guys, welcome back. I went to my Walmart again and finally have Mix 42 finally. This is the El Toro Loco kaleidoscope truck. Really nice. Back of the card. Silver Fortune Black Ops, Thunderwars, Nitro Neon, Sparkle Smash Chase, which I didn't get a chance. I was going to get it, but they beat me to it. Crush Psycho, Muscle Dalmatian. Not even going to get that one. Not even going to bother with that one. Toro Loco Yellow, Jester. Yellow, I mean. And the regular Monster, which I do need a regular Monster. I don't have it. New packaging design, by the way, says kaleidoscope on top. Toro Loco. Let's go and open it now. Ooh, okay, here it is. Oh, look at this, guys. Toro Loco. That is so nice. Isn't that cool? It's like gold see-through tires and the brown. It's the old casting and then clear see-through horns. The gray roll cage, clear see-through. Oh, it has glitter. I don't even know that. Look at that glitter, guys. Now that is nice. It has glitter. Of course, Toro Loco, MonsterJam.com. Tires are the Elemental, which is the earth ones. But I love that glitter on the roll cage. Look at that, guys. Monster Jam logo. I like, subscribe, comment. Sure, I got one more to go. Peace out.